Using a reverse vending machine to reduce litter and recycle is simple. Most drink containers are eligible for a 10-cent refund if they're made from plastic, aluminium, liquid paperboard or glass. And there are 3 easy ways to claim your refund. Digital refund. If you've downloaded the MyTomra app, you can get your refund transferred into your PayPal account. Retail refund. You can claim your refund as a voucher redeemable for cash or a saving off your shopping at participating retailers. Donate your refund. If you're feeling generous, you can donate your refund to one of our 4 charity organisations.